Stop picking your nose.
I'm turning my thing.
Hi.
How many bridges are there?
3 on the brink now.
900 something?
Yeah.
So, do the people of Venice use the taxis to get around?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, usually
it's
no.
very exceptionally for us. Use taxis because are very expensive.
Oh, okay.
Look at this one to the right side. On this building, to the right side, born Marino Palier, the most famous Doge of Venice. You know Doge, old Venetian president.
Oh,
After
okay.
maybe you visit the Doge Palace, where they maybe in centuries ago the president.
Oh.
Why the most famous? Because in the 14th centuries, he wanted to change the old republic in tyranny. He wanted to be a
wow.
king. And the Venetians kept up that. No more king.
That's what you get for trying to take something.